This is the Feldmeyer Dairy Processing Facility. The foam you see on the floor is quaternary ammonia. We use this to sanitize anything that might come in contact with the floor, be it a cart, a pallet jack, or your footwear.
Just as important as contamination from contacting the floor surface is the hand washing station and the ability to sanitize everyone's hands that enter the building, and also those that are working around the process area. In the hand washing area, we have various components. We have a touchless pedal system, we have touchless soap dispensers and hand sanitizer, and paper towels for cleaning. You will also note that the ceiling is in a sanitary construction of a Mylar wrapped panel that is both scrubbable and does not shed material, and the grid system is comprised of material that will not rust or corrode.
We could do everything in the plant to keep our processing equipment clean, but if we bring contaminants in from the outside, that could all be undone.